Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the add-ons on Google Docs to supercharge your productivity. So the Google add-ons will allow you or will help you to do some tasks on, in this case, on Google Docs. If you want to use it to faster your workflow, you can just do these steps. First, you need to click on extensions at the top, tap on the add-ons, and click on Get Add-ons. So after that, the Google Workspace Marketplace will be open. You can see in here there are lots of add-ons that will help you to smoothen your workflow. For example, this one from you who work from everywhere. You can use this also. There is this Business Essentials app to discover. You can also use AI image generator if you want to create image. And for example, in here, this is the top rated. You can use GPT for slide docs or sheets. And there's also this. Okay, this one is only for docs. You can use this for the Google Docs highlight tool, equation editor, document studio. It will automate workflows with Google Sheets and Google Forms, auto latex equation. So you can just choose the one for the Google Docs. For example, I'm going to use this highlight tool. So this one here, if you want to highlight Google Documents, you can use this. You can tap on install to get the add-on. Click on continue and choose your account. Tap on continue. Click on allow. And after that, the add-ons will start installing on your Google Docs. And you can use it on your Google Docs now. To use it, you can click on the extension again and you'll see the add-ons that you downloaded. So I have three: GPT for Sheets and Docs, Highlight Tool, and Mail Merge. So that's all for me. That's how you can find and install the extension or add-ons on Google Docs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.